A nation from the trigger of Africa, rising we strong and power. In this time, the oppressors, now you are we go out with the flag, with the flag, with the flag. Let the tears fall from our eyes, let the children be heard. Let the blood be from now till forever. Let the whole wide world know their God is our home. Their flag is our home. Their flag is our home. Dead fools and the blood couldn't turn the liquor. Mama's cooling child, spilling pops and the ground. 2.5 years, over 3 million. Wow. This shut down, I'll be trying to hope, say nothing. Getting back in the crib, watching our suffering. Should I talk about the planes, dropping shells like rain? Sucker had the first test over him as blood. About the Nazawuni green, was stronger than flood. But the juke is too strong, I put them up on the chart. Felt the blood transcend, then the king came. 216 and the massacre, he started again. It's a bloody name, I couldn't cry tears. Blood dripping down my eyes, water in my veins. We died trying to fight the curse and we're trying to break it. Without freedom, but the world was against us. Wave your flag over Africa. Welcome people of Biafra. Wave your flag over all the world. See those people outside of the sea. Of our mothers who lost their children be heard. Let the blood of our heroes speak from now till forever. Let the whole wide world know their God is our home. I see rising sun from Africa.
Right,